Here's the inside. Lock, unlock. And then from the outside, you have the keys. You can use the app. You can use Google. You can use Alexa. I tried them all. They work great. Very easy to set up. I had this lock installed within 2 minutes. I had it connected to the apps and stuff in probably about 5 minutes. And then this is a little solar panel that charges your battery, so your battery doesn't go dead. You can check your battery percentage inside the app. Another way to unlock and lock it is right here with the keypad. You just enter in your PIN. It lights up when you press the button, so you can see it at nighttime. Put in your PIN, hit the H, it'll unlock. You can also check your app and we'll show you whether it's locked or not. Just tap the button. Well, hold the button for a second. It'll automatically lock. And then it shows lock status. You can have this pinned to your home screen so you always know if your door is locked or not. You can see the battery percentage. You can set up different pins for different people. So when they punch in their pin, you can get a notification on your phone that will say, John just unlocked the door, or Troy just locked the door. It also has geofencing. You can set up a perimeter where your door will automatically lock as soon as you leave with your cell phone. It will automatically unlock as soon as you return with your cell phone. So far, everything's worked great. I've used it from my smart devices, the controller to my smart TV. I had Alexa unlock it and lock it. I used my Google Home Hub. Everything's been working flawlessly. I'm just waiting for the sunshine because we've had a few days of rain. If you need a smart lock, I suggest you go with this one.